Very early in the morning. It's around 6 a.m. Still 8 minutes to go. The city is waking up. It is waking up. Big hole. A lot of big holes. Nice bus. It's beautiful color. Nardo gray almost. And a lot more of them. This is where all the buses starts from. That's another one. There are even sleeper coaches. You can sleep the entire journey. I overtook him. That was exhilarating, but you know, this is a very low visibility situation because the sun is just yet to come out, I would say, and the light, this light needs a little bit getting used to, getting adjusted to. Otherwise it's very low visibility where your headlight doesn't work and you have to watch out for everything. Use your horn to be on the safe side. This guy will zoom past me like that. He will not stop for anything. That's why I also have to watch out that whether I'm not gonna get bumped from the back. So this is the juggling game I'm playing right now. Okay, so he's chasing me, and that's like unnecessary, completely unnecessary. It was just 1 inch from my tail, which was very risky to do. Basically, very risky to do. I'm going right. He just realized that he also needs to go to the right. Suddenly hit the indicator.
Capture is completed.
This dash cam thingy, you know, developed some AI or something, I don't know. It can predict future. Worked once, It's on the camera, it's on the other video. You gotta watch it. You'll find out it detected a stopped stationary car at least 3 seconds before I saw it. Like, is it raining? It must be, or it's coming from that car. Sorry, my windshield got completely like I cleaned it for you guys, but there is a little drizzle, I guess. As you can see, the road is wet. Beautiful. Trust me, I'm not even looking at the mobile phone. I'm just guessing what to do and clicking where I need to click. That's it. I did that without even looking at the screen. Not at all. So don't worry, I'm safe. So far. Please pray for me. Look at the color, man. Look at the color. Beautiful light. Amazing. Morning, man. I'm the only person here right now in this place. Gotta do it. Look at that, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Let's get out before somebody comes in. Okay, I scooted because I'm alone here and I don't want to get marked right now. Look at that building.